Naja Vinci, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, I'm back and I'm better. Before, I was having a little issues with my YouTube and things of that nature, but I am back and I'm ready to start my cheese squad. Cheese squad is going to be supporters and name y'all cheese squad. So that's what I'm gonna call y'all, and today we are going to be doing a Shein try-on haul. I bought different types of stuff from Shein. I bought bathing suits, I bought clothes, I bought some cute tops. And yeah, I cannot wait to get started. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my new channel. And I appreciate everybody who supports me. And yeah, so let's get this started right into it. Okay, so first thing we have is this cute top that I have bought from Shein. It's like leopard print. It comes like around this length right here. So I'm about to try it on, and I got a small because that's the size I am. I either get like an extra small or a small in tops because, you know, itty bitty titty committee. But anyways, yeah, I'm ready to go try this on, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the full view from the waist up. Okay, so this is the finished look for the shirt. I honestly love it around to the front. It fits really good. Like, it just feels like it supports the boobs and it ties all the way to the back. Okay, y'all, so this is what the top looks like, and honestly it is 100% giving life. I love the way that it supports my little itty bitties, and then the way it straps around to the back. Like, honestly, I love this look. Like, it is so beautiful. I would wear this like going to the beach or probably on a girls' night out with the girls. But yeah, I do recommend, you know, I don't know how it would fit with girls with, like, you know, bigger titas. But, you know, if you got small itty bitties, I do recommend this shirt because look how perfectly it supports. So on to the next. Okay, cheese squad, so next up I have this I bought this dress and I got it in a size small because, you know. Anyways, I like it so far. Like, from the looks of it, the material is pretty thin, but I don't know how it's gonna look on my body and stuff. It looks pretty big at the top, size small, so I'm gonna do this, but let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I don't even know what I would wear this with, but like, I think I got some cute shoes to go with that. But yeah, she ain't got a lot of cute stuff, y'all. It came really fast. Like, I had bought this dress like 2 weeks ago, and I say it got here like last week. So shipping, it could be iffy though. Y'all know how Shein be. Like, Shein be bullshitting sometimes. But anyways, so I'm gonna go try this on. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna do like a little slow-mo stand-up, but here you go. This is how the dress looks. This is the front, the side, the back. I don't really like the way that it fits. Like, it feels really like loose up here around like my top area, but other than that, I like the way that it shapes my body. You see in the back, like, I just don't like the way it's so loose right here, and they didn't even have an extra small. So, but this is what it looks like, you know, from the top. But yeah, I don't know, I kind of like it. I would wear it if it's like give it a little jiggle, little jiggle, let me stop. But yeah, guys, so I don't know, I said this would be something more so for like girls with like bigger titas, because there's barely any support in this for us, you know. Like, it looks good, but it's just the top area that is Shein, I give this one like a 6 out of 10. It's a 6 out of 10 for me. A 6 out of 10. Yeah, cheese squad, so overall this look would be like a 6 out of 10, just because the lack of boob support, and, you know, just like it being a little flimsy in the back. You know, it's kind of just like extra loose. Like, all that space, like, I don't have enough boobies to fill this. Like, Shein, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to, if you want me to come correcting this, you're gonna have to give me an extra small, and that's just that word. But now on to the next squad. So next I'm going to be modeling this bathing suit. Let me get it all together. It's right here. Like it's like it got like a little, it's like a little Chinese dragon bathing suit, you know. I got a small because, you know, ABT community keep having to say that. But you see the pattern, it come with like the pattern, I think you could take it out. Like it come with like you could take the pattern out of. In case you know, not everybody like pattern, so that's good that they have that, because not all bathing suits have that. Sometimes I be want to take the pattern out and I be like, sis, where's the little tiny hole? Like where's the hole to pull the pattern out? Like, sis, how you forget that? But yeah, I'm about to try this on and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, Cheese Squad, this is what the bathing suit looks like from the side to the front. Like, honestly, I love the way it looks. It's giving very much Miami vibes. It's giving very much Cali. It's giving very much I love it. Honestly, I love it. It fits me nice up top. The material is nice. And it comes with the cover up. Like, it's so cute. It covers everything. This is the back. The sign. From this view, you know, it's very supportive. I love the way it cups my little titas. I love it. And I like the way that it comes with like a cover up. And honestly, I love it. It fits really nice. The material is good. You could take the pattern out, which is very good, because not all bathing suits you can take the pattern out, which is very annoying, because not everybody wants pattern. But yeah, honestly, I love it. It's perfect for vacations, perfect for a birthday trip. Like, honestly, these would probably be one of my go-tos for like my next trip. I'm like, we outside, baby. All right, now we on to the next. And I'm up that I had bought, I believe it was like $6. I think it was like either $5 or $6, but this is what it looked like. Put it in the camera so y'all can see. It's mad cute, right? Like, it's like a crop top. It comes up to like right here. I believe that's what it looked like in the picture. But I'm gonna try this on with these pants that I had bought, and they mad cute because, like, let me show y'all. Like, hold on, let me show y'all, because I ain't never ever seen anybody with these, and I don't know if it's just me and me not being on social media and stuff like that, but y'all cannot tell me this is not cute. Like, bro, look at this. Like, who you know seen walk with like some jeans that had this? Like, I'ma feel like a whole cowgirl. Like, all I need is some cowgirl boots. Only a few. Hold on, if you know, you know. Only a few. No, don't it's the motherfucking cowgirl boots. Bitch, disgusting. Ew, I'm so but all right, I'm about to try this on. This is a size, it's a size small, and I'm a size like 2 for in jeans, like 2 or 4 jeans, depending on where I get it from. But I'm ready to see if this fit. But look, it look pretty stretchy. It stretches. Like, they have a lot of elasticity, so that's a good thing. So I'm about to go try this on together, and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, Cheese Squad, this is the look of the jeans. I include like a from like a waist below look. This is the front, and they're so cute. Like, it's just nice. They shape nice, and it's like, it's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I love these. This is the top of the outfit. This, well, I should say the shirt. No, I don't have a bra on. This is a size small. The material is great. Like, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't show anything, like any part of my top area coming through. You don't feel anything. With the jeans though, they fit perfectly. Like, they're 100% fitted, and they stretch a lot. Like, I still even have a lot of space. Like, even if I go like this, I mean, not really a lot of space, but have enough space. Like, you could tell that it stretches. So I love this. Like, I love these pants. I just keep shimmying this part because it's so cute. But yeah, y'all, I would wear this to, like, I don't know, out to like a nice dinner or like a dinner date. Like, honestly, I love these pants. I low-key don't even want to take them off because I'm like in love with this outfit. Like, it's just so fire. Like, I walk in the party, bitch, I got more shit. Gonna hit the plug. Round, fool. call me. Okay, Cheese Squad, so that was just like a little preview. I got a little carried away and I started dancing and things of that nature. But honestly, I love the pants. I love the top. Both of them together make an amazing, cute outfit. You know, I would wear these with like some cute white heels off of Shein. But I most definitely am going to leave a link in my description box to all the products that I bought. All the shirts, bathing suits, tops, and everything. Everything I'm mad fire. I love these pants. And I think they came in another color, but I'm not pretty sure. But most definitely go check these out because, y'all, I love these pants. But anyways, on to the next. I am going to be trying on these jean shorts that I bought. This is what they look like. They look kind of big, right? Like, I don't know, they do look kind of big. But these are a size, what size are these? These are a size medium. I didn't know if I should get a small in shorts or a medium because, you know, my butt is kind of like, but, you know, anyways. So I had bought a medium to see how it looks. So I'm going to try and see what this looks like. See if I like the fit and the way it shapes. But who knows? So let's see. Okay, Cheese Squad. So this is what the shorts look like. They're okay. I just don't like how they're high-waisted, and I don't like how it's like a lot of space left in them. You see, makes my crotch look kind of weird, but I mean, they look nice like in the back. I just don't like how it's like coming up right here. I don't like that. But overall, I would have probably gotten me a small, but I just don't like the way, like, I mean, they're cute. The style is cute, don't get me wrong. But I literally just don't like the way, like, the shape is, like, and the way they fit. Like, they fit so weird. Like, they fit like they're supposed to be high-waisted. And who wants to wear high-waisted shorts? Like, oh my gosh, that is not, like, oh my gosh. But I love the design. I just wish that it was fitted better and it fit my body better. I probably would have looked better in a small. But honestly, I probably rate these like a probably give me like a calm 4 out of 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I am not feeling it, and I'm gonna move on to the next. Okay, Cheese Squad, so next I'm going to be putting on this 2-piece set that I had bought. It's like the bottom piece is like a skirt. This is what it looks like. It's like slanted. And it comes like with this little ring that goes on the side. You see? So I can't wait to see how this looks because in the picture it looked, the cut on the side, like it seemed like it's too deep. Like I feel like it's just gonna show a lot. But who knows, we'll see. And this is the top that it came with. It came like with a 1-piece shoulder crop top thing like this. I actually just like the shirt by itself. I don't know how I'm feeling about the bottoms yet, but we're actually about to try this on. So let me see this working with. Wait, what size is this before I move on to trying it? This is a size small. All my clothes is gonna be a size small, unless it's like the shorts that I just tried on, which was like, you know, not for me at all. But yeah, so this is a size small too. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and let y'all. So I don't know if this is how the outfit is supposed to be, but this is giving very much revealing. It's giving very much grown. I don't even know how to wear this. Like, this is the side. I mean, it's cute, but honestly, who's going outside with this? Like, son, I don't even have freaking underwear on. And it's like, bro, who is really going outside like this? Like, where's you going? Where are you going in this? Like, where's you going? You better go be seeing your man into the crib. Like, no cap. Where, if you step outside in this, bro, like, where are you going? Like, my mom and my parents, honestly, like, no. This, personally, no. This is not. Next. Okay, in all honesty, I don't know what Shein thought they was doing with that. That hot girl summer, not thought girl summer. Like, I don't know who is going outside in that. Like, honestly, I like the top. The top is okay. It's just the bottom. Like, how you expect people to go outside like that? Like, there's no underwear required. Like, I'm sorry, but I felt too uncomfortable and I had to take it off. I said no. So no from me. I do not like it. I do not like the bottoms at all. I only like the top. Shein, you're gonna get a calm 3 out of 10. just because the top is a banger and the bottoms are not. I don't know what she was doing, but now it's most definitely on to the next. All right, so last but not least, this is going to be the last thing I will be trying on for the Shein haul. And I'm going to be trying on this, what is this called? Sweet Home dress. This is what it looks like. Trying to see if I can fix my lighting. Let me see, bring it back a little bit. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can fix my lighting. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's about this long. It looks pretty cute, honestly. Like, I like the way it looks. I wouldn't have anything to complain about it. But I'm about to go try this on. Wait, what size? Size medium. So this time I didn't get a small. And dresses, I don't really like getting smalls unless it's like one of those really fitted dresses, you know. But honestly, I feel like this will fit me, and it's really cute. Pink is my favorite color. So as y'all can see, pinked out everything. I'm Mrs. Pink, Nicki Minaj's inspiration. Okay. Like, come on now, y'all better get in tune with the pink. But anyways, let me stop and let me go ahead and try this on. I'll be back and I'm gonna let y'all know. Okay, y'all, so honestly, this dress is giving everything it's supposed to give. It's giving hot girl summer. It's not giving thought girl summer. It's classy. It looks nice. Don't mind my waist beads. Y'all need to go shop with Black Girl Wasted. Period. Should get y'all right. But anyways, I like the way it's kind of loose. It gets like a little breeze if I was to step outside, you know. It's not too tight like around here. This is the back. You see, it's like all the way. It shows no back at all. But honestly, yeah, I love this dress. See, now this is something I would wear outside. That other stuff that she was doing, I don't know who said that was okay, but no. This dress, calm, 8 out of 10. I really like it. I just wish it was a little bit more fitted, you know, because it is kind of loose. But I understand why, you know. The material is nice. It feels like a, kind of like a bathing suit material, but not all the way like that. So it's like, catch a little bit of wind. But honestly, I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, Cheese Squad. So we coming to the end of the YouTube video. That was the last thing I had tried on. And honestly, I love this dress. And it's going to be an 8 out of 10 for me. I did wish it was just like a little bit fitted a little bit more. But honestly, I loved all the clothing I had got except for that one outfit. Honestly, it was a no for me. But if it's a yes for you, that's all right, boo. And I'm going to drop the link to the item in the description box below. So make sure you check that out after you watch the video and after you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be coming back in tune with new videos next week and in the following weeks as well. My next video, I'm thinking about doing either a lash extension vlog or a graduation, get ready with me for graduation vlog, because I do graduate on the 14th and the 17th. I have 2 graduation ceremonies, so I am thinking about vlogging those as well as my lash extension appointment. It's gonna be my first time getting lash extension, so I'm very excited about that. But yeah, y'all, basically I'm done with the video. And oh wait, no, I'm not done. I wanted to show y'all what I have on my wrist, because I did get these from Shein, so I feel like I should include that in the video too. So I have bought this watch from Shein. It's mad cute. Like, let me see if I can show y'all. You see, like, it's mad cute, mad fire. I love it. I wear it like whenever I get dressed up. It's cute. The only thing I do suggest about it is kind of big. Like, if you have small wrists, you see it is kind of loose. But you can always take it to go get a link removed or whatever. And then I got these little bead things from Shein as well, which I love. I have them in pink, brown, blue. Like, they have so many different types of colors. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box as well. But that is all for the video, and make sure y'all tune in next week for the lash extension vlog as well as my graduation vlog. I'll be dropping 2 videos next week. But I hope y'all like this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the Cheese Squad if you're new. Alright, y'all. Thank you.
Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.